everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and welcome back to my channel. And for everyone who is returning, welcome back. For everyone that is new, welcome, and thank you for subscribing to this channel. So as you can see by the heading, this is going to actually be my first cash envelope stuffing video for the upcoming pay period, which is January. Lord, where am I? In my last video I was saying May, now I'm saying January for June. So let's go ahead and get started with this cash envelope stuffing video. So as you can see, I have my tablet set up so I can go ahead and make sure I have everything listed as I'm doing my cash envelope stuffing, because in the past I had it set up on my phone and I was tracking it, but now that I have invested into this new tablet, I actually can do it all in one step. So let's go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead first and just count to make sure you know, I have the money that I allocate for my cash envelopes. So we have 20, this fresh money, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, and then 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60. That's how much I will be using, $360. So let's see. Okie dokie. So first we're going to start off by looking into the file of facts. This is where I keep all of the cash envelopes. So let's go ahead and get this party started. So for first let me back up. So if you haven't saw my setup, my budget setup, I am at my paycheck to paycheck video. I am actually utilizing this particular planner that I purchased offline to be able to track my budgets throughout the year. I still am using my Erin Condren petite planner because I just love to be able to sit and write down my budgets as well. But when I have those moments where I just want to be on some type of device, this is so much convenient. It's such a convenience for me. So just so you'll know, now that I have this incorporated into an actual device, I will be tracking and showing my cash envelopes as I stuff them per pay period. So what I'm going to do is I'll just start off what's left in there, if it's anything left in there, and what I have possibly spent. So let's just blow this up a little bit so you guys can see. So for 6/11, we're going to look at the groceries. And starting balance, you can see there's nothing in here. We are going to add, this is a little interesting. So we're going to add money. So we're going to be adding 140. So let's go ahead and count out 140. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. This money is so brand new. Just make sure nothing's sticking. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. So we're going to put this in here. Next, we have the kids, which is their chores. And so there's nothing in there. And we are going to add $20. Gas, we have nothing's in there, and we have, I'm going to add $40 because that's what I budget for. So we have 20, 40, Then we have cleaning. And there's nothing in there as well. And we're adding $20 for this pay period. One day I'm gonna get another another one. I know I said this when I first bought this file of facts, but I still have not had the time to find something. But this really racks my nerves. So we have the movies. That of course is just basically anything that's streaming, any type of video I want to order offline or Redbox or something, and I just want to go in and have this so that way I won't be randomly using my card. So that's 20 that I allocate for this. So I'm going to put 20 in here. Then we have, let me skip this one. Let's do the YouTube. And this, of course, is where I, if I see any type of planners, apps, anything that I want to purchase, it'll come out of this particular, what do you call it, slip folder. And of course, when I decide to do a giveaway, it will come out of this as well. So we basically need to go in and see what is in here. So we have, let me set this to the side. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. So we have 180. I know I'm taking away 20 just because I purchased this planner. So that's 20 I'm taking away. So that leaves me with 160. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add another line. And the starting balance is 160. And we are adding 40. So that's going to give us 200. So let me put in the 40, 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So this has 200 in here. Then we have my personal. That's where I'm able to, if I see something that I'm interested in, I'll just go in there and, you know, take it out of here, purchase it. If I use my card, then I'll just take the money out and put it back in my bank account. So I have 0, and I am adding $40 because that's what I allocate. 20, 40. Okay, and I think, let me check, in this planner I saw a sinking fund. Yes. So we're going to have for 611, the sinking fund, of course, is the taxes. This is where I'm setting up to make sure I have payments, some money, not a lot, it's not going to be a lot, but some to help alleviate that steep payment that I'm going to have coming up this summer, well, August. So let's see what we have in here. It's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. So we have 280. That's what I said. Yeah, 280. And we're adding 40. I don't know why I just have a habit of doing this. I like to count. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 320. So now we have 320 as the ending balance into this sinking fund for the taxes. Oh, it's getting pretty good. So I don't have that much to pay off for those taxes. That's a good thing. All right, so that is basically it. Of course, you guys see this was supposed to be like rollover money to be able to purchase on something that my heart desires, like I did with this tablet. So, but there's nothing in here. So, oh well, not this go round. So basically that is it for this cash envelope stuffing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to give me a big thumbs up. And remember to share, comment below if you are utilizing the digital planner and how you're utilizing it for your cash envelope tracking, your seeking funds. Comment down below and let me know, because this is new to me as far as doing it the digital way. And you know, I want to try to make sure I'm good at keeping up with my tracking. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel and support. Thanks, you guys. Bye.